This takes me 30 minutes to an hour to push the beer in and to get everything prepped for the transfer. And then once the beer is served, it takes me maybe 5 minutes to clean it, which kegging itself is pretty timely. You can keg off the full bright in 4 or 5 hours. And then once those are done, depends on your keg cleaner, but like 2 to 3 kegs at a time. So that's about a full day, where this takes maybe 2 hours altogether. If we didn't have the Muellers, we would have to probably hire another cellarman, which is costly.
Yeah, employee time does mean a lot to us because we're not a big brewery. We don't have a lot of employees. We essentially only have one person, Neil, doing most of the cellar work, transferring, so it does allow us to maximize the time. There's a lot of safety considerations. With kegs, you have to make sure you have some way to pick them up, to carry them, to store them. A lot more ways they can fall and hurt people. There's keg cleaners, a lot more chemicals you have to deal with. Whereas with the Muellers, we don't have to really worry about that. They're in place. Cleaning is easy, there's no chemicals. It's just taking the bag out, cleaning it, putting a new bag in there. So definitely safety is a big thing.
We push out of these tanks with an air compressor, so that saves a lot of CO2. CO2 is fairly expensive. It's probably not the best thing to be discharging in the atmosphere either.
We've had a couple people come in here that are opening breweries all around North Carolina and stuff, and they're amazed because they've never seen anything like it.
I don't know, it kind of looks like a bomb silo, it's like, it's a little different.
Scuba divers.
They definitely look like moles. The tanks definitely look like moles, and they're just smiling. They're very happy and happy moles.
It definitely makes a difference in the perception of the beer for them to be able to literally see the taps hanging right there and the lines coming right from the tanks that they're sitting in.
Just has a deep flavor. It's so good.
The best benefit of these tanks for us is the compactness and just time savings.
If we've not had Muellers, and that would have been a sad thing, because I think they worked out great for us.